Okay guys, today we're excited to share with you a super simple Canva tutorial on how to crop images into perfect circles. If you're new to Canva or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial is for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Canva and choose a project. To start, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and choose a project type that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll be using a custom size project, but you can use any template you like. Step 2. Upload or choose an image. Now it's time to upload or choose an image that you want to crop into a perfect circle. If you have an image ready, click on Uploads in the left sidebar and select Upload New. If you'd like to use one of Canva's many stock photos, search for a suitable image in the library. Step 3. Add the image to your canvas. Once you've uploaded or chosen your image, click on it to add it to your canvas. The image will appear as a floating element, which you can move and resize as needed. Step 4. Select the circle Canva frame. With your image on the canvas, click on the element section and search for frame. Canva has lots of frames we could work with, but I will choose the circle frame. Step 5. Merging the frame and image. Now simply drag your image to the frame and it will take the shape of the frame. You can double-click to adjust the size of the photo. Step 6. Save and download your design. Once you've cropped your image into a perfect circle, it's time to save and download your design. Click on the Download button in the top right corner of the screen and choose the file format you'd like to save as. Your file will now be saved to your device, ready to use however you'd like. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped an image into a perfect circle using Canva. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and engaging. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next one.